Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create multiple issues or items inside your GitHub repository at once in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to github.com and log into your account. Next, start creating your issue. You can do that by clicking into that plus button in the top right, or you simply navigate to the issues section here and do it from here by clicking into this new issue button here. So let me go with that option, select new issue, and what you want to do is select your blank issue below as a template and give your new issue a title like example issue number 3 or something like that, and then simply craft your issue with its description. You may mention someone, for instance, or add a hyperlink, use the preview, and so on and so forth. Assign someone, but before you click into create in the bottom right to save the given issue inside your repository, select create more here. And after that, click into create, and you will be instantaneously redirected to the next issue, as you can see. And you can also click into this button here, and that is going to redirect you to the issue you just created. So again, guys, simply select create your issue and make sure that you select create more here, and that is going to give you the opportunity to create an issue directly after the given one with your custom title and custom description. And all you need to do is to confirm by clicking into this button. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.